Hello guys, and this is the 14th video of the 3ds Max asset creation series, and in this video I want to go over animation. Animation is one of the coolest things in my opinion. Animation is what makes everything move, it makes everything so fluent. So basically what animation is, if you've ever seen a film or something, you all know that it's made up of frames. Like, you're gonna have, like, I don't know, even video games, you're gonna have like FPS settings, frames per second, and it's the same theory in 3ds Max when we're making animations. So you know when you put like a book and you put like a different image on each side, on each piece of paper, and then you all just like move their arm on each one, you know that animates it and looks as if you're moving his arm. So that's what we're going to be doing basically. So first of all, the most important thing here is the time slider. This is basically showing where our frames are, and you can see here we got 0 to 100. So we don't need to worry about how long or whatever it is this is now, but we've got this little slider. This is basically showing the total number of frames and the frame we're on at the moment. This is how you move around to set your keyframes to different values and times, so we can define our keyframes efficiently. So now I've gone over that, let's just go ahead and work with something else. We want to actually make these objects move. So we've got two different things down here. We've got auto key and we've got set key. We'll just drop those for now. But over here we've got a few different things. We've got our animation maneuver tools, I don't know whatever you want to call them, but they let you go back, like previous frame, next frame, and then play animation, and then go to end, and then go to start. So I can go to end, there we go, and go to start, and it'll take us back. And then we got play, but I haven't set up an animation just yet. So let's go to time configuration before I go into any of the keys. So over here we've got frame rate. As I said, everything with motion has a frame rate. So you can see here we've got like NTSC and PAL. We don't really want to screw around with any of those, but some of the more important ones are like the start time and end time. So you can just play around with some of those values if you want to. But for now, let's see what we got. Playback. Playback in real time basically means it's going to be right in front of your eyes and it's not all pre-rendered, so it probably won't be laggy. It just depends really. Okay, then we've got active viewport only. Basically what that means is it's only going to animate in the one viewport. It can be better with performance if you've got a slightly slow computer, but it's only going to show in this viewport here that we've got active, so it won't be showing on any of the wireframe views to the side unless we have all of them selected somehow. And then we've got loop. You'll know what that means, so I'm just going to drop that for now. Basically means it's going to replay. Hopefully you do the same on my video. I'm just joking, but still. Okay, let's just close it up now and make the magic happen, I guess. Okay, so we've got auto key and set key. Basically what auto key is, it automatically sets keyframes when you move the object. You can see it's not doing anything at the moment because I don't have it selected. So let's go over to auto key, and then you can see our viewport and our time slider has gone red. That's just to indicate that we are now in animation mode. So let's just say I want to quickly move this around, so let's just try out auto key. When I move it, it should make a keyframe. So let's just move this here. This is going to be a start point because it's on 0, and then if I move my time slider to 10 and then bring it over, you can see that our two keyframes have just appeared. If I move it again, if I just bring this one to 20, you can see that another one's appeared. And then let's just go ahead and drag this back and then pull it forwards, and you can see that we've made motion. Yeah, so now we've got motion. We can do anything you want like this. This is how you make movies in 3ds Max, on the car chases, whatever you want. You can just basically move what you've modeled. So that's auto key for you. And then let's go over and select our sphere just so we aren't worrying about anything. If I can just somehow God damn it. Okay, I'll just have to show you on this object. So basically set key means that you have to press this little button to indicate that you want to set a keyframe every time, so it doesn't just do it when you move it. Let's just say I move it here, there's no keyframe, so I'll just go ahead and press this button, and you can see that we've got a different type of frame. So let's move this to 40 just so we can see what's underneath it. You can see that the color on the frame has changed to indicate that this is a set key and the red ones are auto key. So let's just move this around, and then if I can somehow deselect this, I don't know what I'm doing here. I can't deselect this object. Okay, god damn it. I was going to show you some nice cool stuff with making it all realistic, so let's just say we've got our object here. We're going to have like an object coming into it and colliding with it. So let's just go ahead and set a key here, just to be nice, and then over here on this one we are going to have it rotate down to the floor, and then set key, and then you can see it just falls down nicely, and there we go. So what I wanted to show you with that is that you can play around with any of the transformation tools. You can even adjust the model itself when in animation, so you can, I don't know, pull out some different faces depending on the keyframe. But I wouldn't really try around with all that stuff just now, seeing as you've just started. So this is about all I wanted to show you in this video for animation. Comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.